Hello, welcome back students of class 7. Today we would be proceeding with English grammar. So take out your grammar book and your copy. We would be doing a short session today on interrogative sentences. If you remember, we had started the chapter sentences in our previous session and we have already done the assertive sentence and the imperative sentence. And today we would be proceeding to interrogative sentence. And interrogative sentences, as you already know, refer to sentences which are used to ask question. Sentences in the format of a question are called interrogative sentence. Now look at the board carefully. As you can see, I have written interrogative sentences and separated them into the two kinds of interrogative sentences. The first kind being yes, no question sentences, and the second kind being WH word question sentences. Okay, so I want you to write this in your copy, the two types of interrogative sentences. Okay, so the first type is yes, no question type. Here, the sentences begin with auxiliary verbs like any be verb. Be verb means all forms of be verb. That is, it can be is, are, it can be was, were. Okay, any form of the be verb is used to ask question for interrogative sentences. The next auxiliary we can use is the has, have or had auxiliary. Has for the present tense and have also for the present tense, had for the past tense. Okay. Then we can use the modal auxiliaries like can or may for asking the question. Today let us just do the tabulation, the classification of the two types. We would be proceeding with the examples in the next session. Okay, so try to understand that interrogative sentences can be divided into two types. First is the yes no question type, where the question begins with an auxiliary verb like be verb or has, have, had or can, may. Okay. And other auxiliaries also. So it can be any auxiliary verb. And the second type are the sentences or the question sentences which begin with WH word. WH word. Firstly, let us deal with the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns, as you know, for persons, what are the interrogative pronouns? Who, whom, whose. For referring to person. For referring to person, we use these interrogative pronouns. And for referring to both persons and things, we use these interrogative pronouns. That is what and which. Okay. What and which can be used for both persons as well as things. So these are the two types of WH question. These are the two types of interrogative sentences. Now apart from interrogative pronouns, the questions can also be asked using interrogative adjectives. Okay, so interrogative have you written this in your copy? If you do not write it, don't worry, it's all given in your book, but if you write it in this tabular format, it would be easier for you to understand it. Okay. So, let's see, apart from the interrogative pronouns, we can also use the interrogative adverbs and interrogative adjectives to ask question. Interrogative adjectives. Okay, like what snacks do you prefer? So here, as you can see, what is the WH question, and it's a interrogative adjective as it is placed in front of a noun, that is snack. So here is the interrogative adjective. Similarly, interrogative adverbs can also be used for asking question. Okay, like interrogative, no, this is number 2. First one was interrogative pronoun, second one is interrogative adjective, and the third type is interrogative adverb. All these can be used to ask WH question. So adverbs, as you already know, it can be how, it can be where. Okay, it can be how, it can be where, it can be when. Okay, all these are used to ask question, and when we use these words, it becomes interrogative adverbs. Okay, and they make the WH question order as well. Okay, you might ask, why is how included here? Well, how comes as a byproduct, you can say. It is not a WH word directly, but it's also used to ask question, and for adverb of manner we use how, right? So this 3, you just write down the 2 types of interrogative sentences, and the yes no questions begin with auxiliary verbs like this, and I want you to write the examples on your own. Okay, interrogative pronouns we have already done of WH question words, and interrogative adjectives and interrogative adverbs, right? So next day we would be proceeding with the structure or the format of a question for yes no question. Okay, and I will also show you how to make a statement change into a question. Okay, so all the best. Write down your grammar work, do more and more practice of what we have already done. Okay, thank you for today's session.